Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Yahoo Mail app. And in this video, I will show you on how to block domain name from a specific sender in Yahoo Mail. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Yahoo Mail app. So you can do this whether you are on Android phone or you are on iPhone. So having opened up the mail, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular domain name that you want to completely block from your Yahoo Mail right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I use a domain name as an example. So I'm going to use this domain name right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and open up the mail. Once we open up the mail, next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and check on their domain name. For that, what we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then this is going to drop down right here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. So this will enable us to see their domain name. So you can see their domain name right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then we have the domain name, right? So we can easily come here and we just type in their domain name. We just type in the domain name. Once you type in domain name, go ahead and click and hold down. Then make sure you copy the domain name. So then cancel it back. Then you want to make sure you go back again. Delete draft. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this selected draft? Go ahead and click on delete. Draft deleted. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. Then we go ahead. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Then we have to make sure we scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to block unwanted sender domain. Go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. Select your Yahoo Mail account. Then go ahead and click on add domain. Add a domain. Then go ahead and paste their domain right here.